Hi everyone, we're going to continue on looking at our work. So we're going to talk a little bit about translations. The goal here is that you can transform plane figures using translations. So that we're hoping we'll be able to do that by the end. Translation is just taking an image in a graph or just in space and just moving it. So sliding it. You can slide it to the left. You can slide it to the right. Now freeze. One thing you want to make sure that when you're doing a translation is that if you're turning it, you're including a rotation in that. So, you can combine translations and rotations. You can combine translations, rotations, reflections. Just make sure that if there's a turning motion in there, it's not a straightforward translation. You've got to have something else. But keep in mind that when you translate an image, you're just moving it. You're not changing the slide lengths. You're not changing the angles. So the new image is still going to be congruent. It's still going to have the same interior measures and everything like that. So if you have a question where an item has been translated and asks whether or not the side lengths of a new image are larger or shorter, it's not. They're the same. So here's an example. We've got our original image at 1, 5, 1, 1, and 5, 1, and we're translating. We're sliding it over. We're sliding it 7 units to the right and 3 units up. So, for example, we have SpongeBob here, and if we want to translate SpongeBob 3 units down, 2 units to the left, right? We've moved over 2. We were sitting on that the 2 line. Now we're sitting on the y-axis and down 3 units. So if we look at his shoes, right, we go down. Here, I'll get my laser pointer here. Okay, we look at his shoes and we go down 1, 2, 3. And if we look at this shoe, right, we're at this spot, we go 1, 2, and we've made our new spot. Okay. Now if we've got Peter Griffin over here, we're going to translate 4 units down and then 3 units to the right. Just like this. Okay. Now, right, if we have another Peter Griffin, he's sitting over here. Let's take a look. We're going to translate 3 units up and 4 units to the left. So if we look, right, we're at this line, so 3 units up, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we do this correctly, the bottom corner of the image should be right over here. Let's take a look. There we go, we did it correctly. And there we go. There's our new guy right there. So we went from over 2 up 1. Now we are -1, -4. Okay. The last image that we've got this red rectangle here, or I guess it's almost a square, but it's a rectangle. And we're going to translate it 3 units down and 2 units to the left. So look at the vertices as over 2 up 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 2, 5. What would those new vertices be if we translate the whole thing down, 3 units down and 2 units to the left? Pause the video. There we go. Okay. So real quick video. Hope this helps. And again, there'll be a couple more videos to go along with the translation stuff.